running out of time and I don't want to waste my time if he's not joining. Anyway, so can you see my screen back, right?
Yes.
All right, so it says that I need to put this data in cell D, which is, oh, it's here above that one. I'm not sharing my screen, right? Or am I sharing?
You're sharing.
Okay, I'm sharing. Okay, there you go. So I need to put it above that one. So I was correct when I put it there in here. So the text should be there. And that text, as it mentioned in the question, it should be set into style 2. So style 2. So I will just highlight, click that one, and then I'll just choose H2. All right, that should be the intention of that one. Now in cell G, you have to add all this information. There you go. Entered as 2 paragraph, cell G. So scroll down, it's gonna be here. Paste that, and again, it will be in H3 style. That should be the style there. Then the text you have entered as 2 paragraphs. So of course you have to change it with your name. All right. So I'll keep it that way. Now, create a hyperlink from the image J31 to open in a web page called Kenya. So this image J31 Mastery, this one here. So what you're gonna do with it, right click and you go to hyperlink and it will open the Kenya. Just click OK. There you go. So that means that image now will be automatically, that website will open when you click that one. So when you save it, and let's go back to our browser. Okay, let me bring it back to the 100%. Wait a minute. I don't like this image right now. Let's figure out later on. There's a problem with this image now. I don't like that. So let's see this one here. It's activated now. When I click that, there you go. So the page will open. So remind me about that image, because we will figure it out later. There's a problem with it. Okay, on number 11, create a hyperlink from the Siri JT, and it will open the Tanzania HTML in a same browser currently used. Okay, so this one here, let's go back to this one here. Right click, properties. They said it will open the website called, what was that website again? It's Tanzania. Do we have some? Okay, here we go. But target frame should be same frame, because they said it will open in the same.
Frame.
Right click, hyperlink, target frame, and same frame. New window, new window if you want, but right now they say it will open in the same frame. So that's it. Okay, we're done that part. Let's go back to the image. There's something wrong with the balloon. So I'll just, it's fine here. Let me see the cell properties. It's 30% the width. This 70% of the width. Wait, where's the 70%? It should be 70. Cell properties. Or did I go to table properties last time? No. Cell properties, it should be set into 70. We did it right?
Yes.
We did that one. Because the first two is 70-70. And this is also 70. This is A, B, C, D, D. Okay, this one I will see the table properties. No, cell properties, I mean. What? I made 70, I remember. So this is 70. This is 70. The third one is 10%. Let's me see to the cell properties. Yeah, we did that. So let me save it. Check the website. There you go. Okay, maybe that's really the image, but I don't like it. I just want to see it later. Okay, continue. The next part of the question is, where are we? We are now on question number 12, right?
Well,
So this said
yes, but can
rename the style sheet. Oh, no, okay. Rename the style sheet this one so that it will become this name, followed by the center number and candidate number. So I will just go back to my work. J31 style sheet, G31 style sheet, this one here. I will just simply open it and I will just save it. Okay, I'll just close it right now and I will just right click and rename that with this name, SA118 underscore with your roll number. That make sure you save that one as CSS, okay? Or cascading style sheets. So it should be style sheets. Make sure that it is a style sheet format. So that's why I save it as CSS. That's the thing here. Now attach this to the web page that you created. So this is the web page. So simply drag and drop. All right. That's exactly the intention of that one there. 1 minute, boy. Just 1 minute. Mm. 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 1 minute, boy. Yeah.
okay.
Mm. All right. Okay. Attach this style sheet to your web page. We have done it. Okay. Make sure this one attach the style to your web page. We are done about it. So let's move it here. Now, our objective now is to modify this one. We will modify this one based on the instruction. So I will just simply open the style sheet right now. This is what they are asking for. And this said to open and modify this one. Okay, we need to edit this particular thing right now. So how you can edit this one, you just have to simply follow the given instruction here. The name of the background, these colors and everything. So first thing, there's something here already, the background and that one. So if you observe, all are green. So green means comment, but there's a problem. The comment is uh, not correct. Okay, so you just have to make sure that it is correct order. Did you observe that only the now turns green, the rest are not? So it should be division, multiplication, multiplication, division for the comment. Now this background is not really good. It's not important. So instead you will create your background here. So you will click this new style. All right, this new style, when you click this one, it will open. And now you will add the word body. Body means the background. Okay, so go to the background and change the color according to the instructions they gave. So they gave us the instructions that the color should be like this. The sequence is red, green, and blue. Again, red, green, and blue. So 74 AB. So you will write 74 AB and D2 and
So
D2.
it should be red, green, and blue.
Yeah, it should be RGB, green, red, green, and blue. It's very important. All right, so that's the first thing. You just have to click OK. And right now, if you go to your website, you can see now that the background changed to the color that they want. So because it's effective already. The next thing, setting the font for H1, 2, and 3 so that it will become Times CY. If not, Times Roman. If not, it is Cyrillic. So you will go to the new style, and the new style, add H1, comma, H2, comma, H3. And then on the family, type that one. You can write now dot, comma, you can write now Times New Roman if you wanted to, or you can do it later. But for now, I'll just leave it without. I'll just modify it manually. Then set the text in this one to color black. So you go to the color here and make it black. That's it. Click OK. There you go. So in this part here, you just simply go and make a comma. Then I hope I can find a Times New Roman. Here's a Times New Roman. Click that. Then just erase the times because they don't need times. They just need the times CY, Times New Roman, and serif. Okay, again, times CY, Times New Roman, and the serif. Set the text in H1 to be black. So I'm done the thing. The next thing is about setting the three things in different. It has to be center, 16 points. So just make a new style. And this time we'll start with H1. The H1 is center and 16. So in this font weight, font size, make 16. They said points. So you instead of pixel, you change it to PT. Okay, that's the font size. And they want it to be center aligned. So you go to the block and then you will see the alignment. Text alignment, make it center. Click OK. That's the H1. The H1 is 16 and center. Now you can copy this one right now so that it will save your time. And in here, type the two things. Make it H2. H2 is 12 and justify. So instead of 16, make it 12. Instead of center, make it justify. Now, if you are not sure about what you're doing, again, you can simply go back and then modify them and see if that's exactly what's going to happen. So it's here to justify. So it's correct, no big deal. 10 and left. So this is supposed to be not 16, it will become 10, and the alignment is left. There you go. So I have my H1, H2, and this is my H3. So based on the setup they have done. All right. The next part is a little bit different. This one here right now is set each table margin individually to 5% of the width and height of the browser. Mahmoud, you're in hospital, so don't worry. I'll send the video for this, okay, so that you can revise back what we are doing. Don't worry, all are saved. I'll send you the link later so that you can practice also. All right. Again, set the table margin individually to 5% of the width and height of the browser window. So how we can literally do this thing. So that can be done through the TD or table would be much better, table margin. So what you will do, you go to the new style and make what we so-called TD or table data. And the margin, table margin. So find that one, there's an option like board margin you can find. So see this one here? Here. In the box, you can see the margin. It says it's 5% and height of the browser. Just simply on the top, put 5, which is considered as the, wait a minute, the height and the width of that one there. Wait a minute, height and the width margin, table margin. Okay, so make this one into percent as dimension. Okay, there you go. So table margin, it is set into that particular thing right now. Now, set the table cell padding to 10. So the same thing, you go to the to that particular TD, go to the modify, and if you observe in the box, you can see also there the padding, which is the set to make it 10 pixels for all. So just click OK for it, and you will have that pixel also. Now, this is related to the TD and table now, meaning the inside and outside. So you will now create a new style. This style have table, comma, TD. All right, so meaning the border inside and outside will have this. So make sure it's visible, separated. So you go to the table and you will see right now here the border collapse. It should be separated as it mentioned. There should be space between the border of 10 pixels. So you can go to the border spacing of 10 pixels. And it should be solid and black. So you should go to the border. Okay, it should be solid. It should be black and 1 pixel. So here, 1 pixel, and the color should be set to black. Are you following? It's stuck.
Yes.
Again, Watch the video and redo again and again after these sessions, okay?
Okay.
Click apply, click OK. There you have it. Now let's see first how it behaved now, how it will look like. In a browser, refresh this one. There you go. So this is how it should look like. Okay, something is not right. The border is not showing yet. It's border solid, one table. So let me see what's happening in here. So the border is showing here. Okay, but I cannot see the border in the side. Okay, there you go. So something is not right at the time because I cannot see the border. All right, let's go back. I did that. Correct and edit the comment at the start of the style sheet that contain your name, center number, candidate number. So meaning you go to the style sheets and make sure to put this information of yours here. That's very, very important. Now, my concern is only the image of the balloon because I really don't like what's happening on that side right now. This one looks okay in this one, but in the browser, it doesn't look nice. So let me put something into this. All right, just to have something into it. And let me see first the image of this particular balloon. It's actually fine. Let me see the size for it. It's in pixel. It is okay, 200 by 600 carats. I think it's fine. So let me just drag and drop. Let me see again the cell properties. That's set to 30%. The width. Okay, the width is 30. This one is set into 70. So that will basically give me the 100% if I'll do that. So let me just drag it again. Balloon. There you go. And let me just erase the text now. There you go. Okay. What? Okay, there you go. So I will just save it and see what's going to happen if I refresh. There you go. But this one, there you go. So this is how it should look like on the thing. So I think it's way better than last time. This is 30%. This is 70%. So I think it's fine right now. So that's better than the last thing we had. Let me just clarify if it's 30% the set properties to make sure. And that's it. The image itself, let me see the picture file. If the width is set into 100% if necessary. If I will see right now, if it gives me the exact number. All right, save it. And if it changed, let's go back to the other stuff. Yeah, it's fine. So this is better. So this is the reset. No, I don't want that. Okay, I want to go back to how it was by simply leaving this particular thing into not 100% this one right now. So let's just go back to the original data in here and bring that one. Because right now the image is giving us different dimension. So this is better done that way. Save and refresh and open it here. Like this one. All right. That's exactly the thing we need. The image is clear. There's a link already is going on. Your name is already there as well. And the next part of the question that mentioned here, save the style sheets, take a screenshot or show the file name and the content of the style sheet in your evidence. So meaning you have to go in this direction, in this one here, and simply take a screenshot for this part. This is very important to show this one because you need to show that it's already on that particular thing. Add it and zoom in just to make sure it's clear when you see it. If it needs one page for it, it's no big deal about it. Do it. After that, save your web page, display your web page in the browser. If necessary, resize so that all page can be seen, all text can be read, and the address bar is visible. So just go here. I think if you want to reduce that one, it's not that clear right now. So take a screenshot maybe once or twice in here first. Take a screenshot for this so that everything can be seen. Go back to your browser, to your evidence, paste it, scroll down to the thing again in here, another screenshot. No need to crop because it's not important to crop. The important thing is they can see everything what is actually going on in the browser or in the image that we have. And that will do. After that, they said that okay, web browser, take a screenshot for that. Also, take a copy. Okay, take a copy of the HTML source and place it in the evidence document. All right. So the copy of the HTML source. So meaning right click into it, you go to the view page source, this one here. Okay, reset that. Okay, copy everything in here. Copy that, and in your evidence in here, in the last part, paste that one. It's very important. And paste that one as the first option. This one here. No. This one better. So it will be like that. So they can see the whole thing of what you're doing. So the document, the file, you just work with it. All these things, the base target, the title is there. The sizes of the style sheets that you have added. This one here, this is the one you just added. And all those things, the 90%, the 70%, the 30%, is very, very important for them to see, because without that, they cannot see it from your work anyway. So that's the whole thing about this particular paper. So this paper, I think, touches most of the thing of this particular works, like this particular thing itself. All right. So
Yes.
what I need you to do, I will send this to you. Okay. I will send this
Yes.
file to you. I will send the recording to you, and try to follow the lead or the